Hi guys, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon 333 where I'm posting trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. This time I have found the Euro US dollar trade for you guys. The Euro is gonna take a big move against the US dollar. So let's move to the live chart of Euro US dollar. And this would be a long-term 1 month chart. And this is the 1 month live chart of Euro USD. And on this chart we can see the price action first formed a bullish bad pattern. This is the bullish bad pattern, and after the formation of this bullish bad pattern, the price action started the formation of another harmonic pattern, the bullish Cypher pattern. And this is a Cypher tool for the Cypher pattern, and A to B leg is retraced almost up to 0.382 Fibonacci. And this is the C leg is retraced almost up to 1.272 Fibonacci, and C to D leg is retraced between 0.618 to 786 Fibonacci and entered in the potential reversal zone. Let me to do some adjustment of the chart to make it more visible. Now after finding this pattern, we can apply the volume profile on this pattern to see the trader's interest from here up to here on the complete price action. Then we can see that the trader's interest is very weak or low below this potential reversal zone. And if we place the stochastic, then we can see the stochastic didn't give any bull cross so far. Here we can see it has given bear cross, and if we place the MACD, MACD, then we can see that the MACD is also strong bearish. So for a secure trade, we can wait either for the stochastic to give the bull cross, or we can also wait for the MACD to give a bullish signal. For example, if it will be turned weak bearish from strong bearish, then we can buy or enter in the trade, or we can take the long position. Now let's move to the chart I've published to see the targets. And for that, I'm just taking you to my profile portal. And this is a chart, Euro US dollar. The 1 month chart I've published on 9th of September. And you can see the buying range, and these are my sell targets. So this move can be up to 12%. And you can see these targets clearly here in the chart description. And this potential reversal zone of this Cypher pattern is our stop loss point. If a complete candlestick will be closed below this potential reversal zone, then we should take exit from the trade. Thank you so much guys for watching the complete video. I will be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and also like the video. Take care. Goodbye.